Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you. As you know that throughout the year we celebrate many festivals in our country, out of which some are religious festivals and some are national festivals. Children, national festivals are the festivals that are celebrated by the entire nation. There are 3 national festivals in our country. So, what are those? Those are Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. So now, let's see some more about them. First one is Independence Day. Children, do you know how and why we celebrate Independence Day? Okay, Independence Day is celebrated on August 15 every year. Our country became free from the British rule on this day in the year 1947. The main function of the Independence Day is held at the Red Fort in Delhi. The Prime Minister of our country hoists the national flag there and addresses the nation after flag hoisting. We pay homage to all our freedom fighters on this day. Now I tell you the importance of Republic Day in our country. Republic Day is celebrated on January 26 every year. The Indian Constitution came into force on this day in the year 1950. Every year on the Republic Day, President of India unfurls the national flag at the Rajpath in New Delhi. A big and colorful parade is taken out in which the armed forces, police, school children and folk dancers take part. The President of India takes salute at the parade. You must have seen the live telecast of this parade now? Now I will tell you about Gandhi Jayanti. It is celebrated on 2nd October to mark the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhiji was born on this day in the year 1869. Gandhiji led the people of India to get freedom. That is why he is called the father of the nation. So children, have you seen how and why our national festivals are celebrated? So, we should be aware about them because they have national importance. Okay children, bye bye.